Hey everyone, the Honor X70 is a standout entry in the mid-range smartphone category that blends robust endurance, serious durability, and premium convenience features at a surprisingly affordable price point. Built to be more than just another sleek device, the X70 is clearly engineered for users who value reliability, extreme battery life, and protection against the elements. At first glance, the phone's design feels polished yet practical. The body itself is reasonably thin, measuring either 7.8 millimeters or 8.0 millimeters thick, depending on the variant, and weighs under 200 grams, which makes it comfortable to hold despite its tough build. The display is a true highlight, a 6.79-inch AMOLED panel with a 120 Hz refresh rate, a stunning resolution of 1,200 by 2,640 pixels, and a peak brightness of 6,000 nits. That brightness figure is no typo. This screen is readable in direct sunlight, harsh glare, and even behind a rain-splattered windshield. Under the hood, the Honor X70 runs on the Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 chipset. The phone comes in several configurations, including up to 12 gigabytes of RAM and up to 512 gigabytes of storage, though there's no micro SD card support. Still, that much internal storage should satisfy most users. Powering all this is a massive 8,300 mAh silicon carbon battery, far exceeding the typical capacity found in smartphones. This battery is the backbone of the X70's appeal, promising multi-day endurance even under heavy use. It supports 80-watt wired charging across all variants, and if you opt for the top-tier 512 gigabyte model, you also get 80-watt wireless charging and reverse wireless capabilities. When it comes to durability, the Honor X70 goes above and beyond typical ratings. It's certified with IP66, IP68, and IP69 protection levels, making it dust-tight, waterproof to depths of up to 6 meters, and even resistant to high-pressure water jets. The phone has passed drop tests from 2.5 meters and is constructed with multiple protective layers, including a honeycomb bracket and a shock-absorbing frame under the aluminosilicate glass. Adding to that rugged practicality is the ability to operate the screen with wet hands or gloves, something that's often overlooked but incredibly useful. In terms of photography, the X70 keeps things minimal but functional. There's a single 50 megapixels main camera on the back with optical image stabilization and phase detection autofocus, capable of recording 4K video. On the front, you get an 8 megapixel selfie camera with 1080p video support, adequate for video calls and social media posts, though not spectacular. All things considered, the Honor X70 manages to pack an incredible amount of value into a device that costs around 170 euros. With its enormous battery, ultra-bright AMOLED display, extreme durability, and thoughtful touches like glove and wet hand usability, it's clearly designed for those who live busy, outdoor, or demanding lifestyles. Whether you're a commuter, field worker, or simply someone who wants a reliable smartphone with stamina and strength, the Honor X70 is a surprisingly complete and forward-thinking option. Thanks for watching. What do you think about this phone? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.